Los Angeles, California. Officers respond after a subject returns to a commercial property in violation of a prior criminal trespass notice.
This one. Do you have a trespass card on you?
Yes.
Is he still in the store?
He was in a parking lot. But let's see.
So he's gone already?
Yeah, he was in the parking lot. I don't know where he went. We kind of just walked away after that.
Have your 21 on you?
It's in that unit.
Okay. So what are we gonna do?
At this point, try to see if he's still on the property and make contact with him.
They say he's gone.
I don't know where his trespass is. Whoever uploaded it, I don't think they uploaded it.
Do you have all of his information by chance?
Yeah, I think it's in
His trespass card? So you get his information and then write a criminal sentence? Or
Oh, what else can we do? We can do a summons, or we can also
do the crim site, but we can't do that if we can't find
not crim site. What else can we do? What other options do we have?
So physical arrest, crim site, crim sentence.
Oh, you're missing one.
Warrant?
There you go. But we have to find out if they want to.
Yeah. Do you guys want to press charges for him being on the property?
Yes.
And then what else do we need to confirm that he was here?
Here he's on the thing. I had approached him, told him he couldn't be in here. He proceeded to ignore me. Parts. So this is him right here. He's on the thing. I had approached him, told him he couldn't be in here. He proceeded to ignore me. Parts. And started hanging out outside on our door.
Do you have any other cameras of him like walking or?
Let me see. Or this one's in the ocean.
Outside.
The outside gym? Oh, yeah.
Do you know about what time he walked
It
out?
had to be around 12:05 because he parks right here.
12:05.
and then-
Okay. You guys called us right after?
Yeah, I was because he wasn't listening to her, so I approached him. He went towards her, threatened her, and I was like, "You need to get out, man. You need to get off property." That's when he started getting more hostile and went down the process.
Okay.
What do we need?
All the 49. I need to grab my phone for the Axon link.
Okay.
So-
We can write down their number and send them the link. But what else can we do?
Get his information from what they have in the system. Is there any way that you can pull that trespass card again?
What else do you need to write the report? Who else is 49? Do you know?
You don't happen to have like his date of birth or anything like that, do you?
Yeah.
One of y'all's contact info?
Yours.
Do you mind? Yeah.
Okay, and then your name, ma'am?
This?
Can you spell that for me?
It's going to be NEVAEH.
And then last name?
It's going to be ENRIQUEZ.
And then for their address, just put the 1550 South Valley.
Sure. And then the job here, just AP or AP supervisor?
It's no, just a assistant.
Okay. Okay. Well, we can go in the parking lot. We can try to see if he's still kind of hanging around here. If not, then we can end up putting a warrant out. And you said that you do want to pursue some charges?
Yes.
Okay. Cool. And then we'll come back here in a moment, and then I'll send you the Axon link so that way you can submit that video to us that he's here and everything like that.
Okay.
Do you send it through the phone or do you want it through?
You can send it through the phone. Yeah. Okay.
Can I see the other thing? Huh?
Okay.
A lot of people just want to see when it was issued as well.
The trespass card.
Yeah.
It was with Officer Rogers.
Rogers
412.
Okay.
He was in here like 2 days ago.
Yeah.
Same thing.
We kicked him out. Same thing. He ignored me, but he didn't say nothing that time.
Always in a car.
Yeah, he's
Typical color.
he wears like that tan jacket. He has like a white blanket with him.
Is there any way you can have? I know there's one that's his back. Is there anyone where he was coming into the store they can get? So you can just confirm it's him.
Before you approached him.
I don't. I just saw him when he was heading my way.
PT09 when he came in. On grocery side.
He came in on purpose?
Do you know if that's where you saw him? He came in?
From 2 days ago, or?
No, from today.
I just saw him when he was heading this way, and he was ready.
From the restrooms.
I don't know. He was just literally like driving past the vision center, and that's when I pushed him. So I don't know what time he came in. I mean, I can check. Because I know he didn't come into my side. I already saw him.
Black male in brown jacket. He broke the vehicle window.
background check and put the vehicle in.
He's currently in the Murphy's parking lot yelling at customers.
He's just probably.
He does get a girlfriend. He's very He's still here?
Another car way up.
Okay, we'll send you guys the link in reference to it.
Yeah.
Just make sure that you have video footage of him walking in so we can
Yeah,
build up our stuff. All right, thank you.
California Penal Code Section 602 requires a valid prior notice, knowledge of the prohibition, and a willful return. All three were established before officers made physical contact. Initial contact was an investigative detention under Terry v. Ohio, 1968. The formal arrest decision shifted that threshold, authorizing full search authority under United States v. Robinson, 1973. Officers secured surveillance footage via Axon and initiated a warrant check. Under Penal Code Section 836, two independent steps that strengthen the evidentiary foundation before prosecution. The employee's account of threatening behavior raised a potential. Penal Code Section 422 charged criminal threats. It was not developed on scene, a missed prosecutorial opportunity.
You put the blanket down? What's going on today?
Nothing.
Nothing? Well, I'm getting calls that you're throwing rocks.
Okay, man.
What's up? You doing okay? You've been chill, man. I haven't had any calls for you in a while. Anything? No rocks on you?
No.
No? So you throwing rocks at cars?
No.
That wasn't you?
No.
You see anybody throwing rocks at cars?
No.
No? Okay, let's go walk over here to my car, okay? Can you tell me what city you're in?
No.
Cool. And what's your name?
Jonathan.
What's your last name?
Thomas.
Just have a seat for me, Mr. Thomas. 970 Central. When do you take?
I'm going to say that 12:28.
What's your date of birth, Jonathan?
188.
Where's your license from, man? For your ID?
I don't have a license.
You don't have a license?
No.
Did you ever get an ID?
I had IDs all over.
Okay. Where's the most recent one that you could remember?
11:25.
All right, Las Vegas.
Las Vegas?
Copy, no report.
All right, just hang tight for me real quick, all right? Any medical attention or anything?
No.
No? All right.
Did he give you his 49?
Yeah, Jonathan Thomas.
Is that my... So what do we do? What can we do?
So what was going on here?
Well, they just got a call that he was throwing rocks at car window. I'm going to call the RP right now just to see if there's any damage, if he was the one that was the victim for it. When I came up, he was just walking right here. I just detained him on the side because I recognize him from previous incidents.
So we're already going to 15 them for the criminal trespass, but then we can go and see if they have it.
Okay.
Primary Officer B. Probable cause was properly built before contact. However, the subject was never informed of the legal basis for arrest, a statutory requirement under Penal Code Section 841. A name discrepancy, Joseph versus Jonathan Thomas, was unresolved on camera. Uncorrected in the report, this is a prosecutorial vulnerability. Supervisory Officer B+, proactive warrant identification, and clear legal guidance materially improved the defensibility of the arrest. Subject B-, compliance was appropriate. Resistance would have constituted a separate offense. Under Penal Code Section 148, the arrest was a foreseeable consequence of prior conduct. Store staff A-. Documentation and cooperation supported a prosecutable case. Deduction. The trespass card was not in the department's digital database, a single point of failure in any future enforcement action.
What else can we do? What did you just learn in the car? that he
It is
possibly
more
had?
than 65.
Okay, so let's run him as well.
So we go back to the car. So that way I have
You have
the
your
social.
handheld. You can run him with name and DOB as well. Did he give you issues?
He was kind of tensed up.
Is it?
I put his hand behind his back, but he was just
He's chill. So we already know they're from unis. They also wanted to press charges over there, right? So what can we do? We can put them on the what paperwork you said we needed?
The-
Perfect. For trespassing, Yes, sir.
Somebody told me that that's illegal. I don't think that they're illegal because now they're putting them on all the new cars all the way across. So I don't know. And that's what I thought I would ask you guys.
Well, I would have to go and read my statute book because I've never stopped anybody for having lights.
Oh, really?
But I would have to go back and do some research, sir. So I wouldn't be able to answer that directly right now.
Okay.
But
But because I heard that they're supposed to be gold. Gold is like,
and I think the only thing that there's a misconception is if you're trying to put red and blue, trying to see like you're an officer, and
Right.
that's different. But
Oh, okay.
I've never had any issues and I've never heard anything like that. But I would have to do my research, sir.
no problem.
Okay?
Thank you very much. Greatly
Thank you.
appreciate
Have a
that.
good one.
Have a good one.
So what else do we need to do? So he's detained all the time, right? So what can we do now?
Go back to. Well, you already detained him over it, is it?
He's just detained. Is he 15 now or detained?
Now he's officially 15.
Okay, so what do we need to tell Central Dispatch?
Go back to one, tell him I want 15. Transfer him over to our car, but pull him out, search him again.
It's technically your call because it's trespassing.
Hey man, I'm gonna have you go ahead and step out, okay? Cool, go ahead and fix the car for me. So you do have. Do you have anything? That's fine.
You can go ahead and merge them. Affirmative. It's a lot of candy canes. Do you have a bag we can borrow, Thais? That's dirty stuff. What's wrong, sir? Do they hurt you? Are they bugging you a little? You're itchy? Okay.
Pull my pants up.
Is that better?
Is that better, sir?
Right.
If they fall down again, just let us know, okay? You don't have anything in your socks?
No.
The vape and enter it into evidence for safekeeping. Okay. I was just gonna ask, can we throw it?
Do what you gotta do.
Okay.
Take care.
All right, sir. Check his logo. All right. Are we done here?
You need to pull it off.
Take it off. I'm sure you don't have anything else. No necklaces, sir?
There is a necklace.
There is a necklace? Okay, I'm gonna. This we can enter that with you, okay? Does it just come right off, or is it a clip off, or is it a clip on one?
Can we loosen
This
that
way,
at all?
where my eyes are at.
Where your eyes are at? Just go ahead and pull it from where
Pull
it is.
up, where my eyes are at.
There you go. Is that better?
You can take that with it. Put it separate because he said the rest is trash.
Oh, okay.
Take that one. Give him that one.
Second.
Take that one.
Your pants still pulled up, man, or did you need me to help you out with anything else?
They're good.
All right. We'll just get a bucket in, man.
This is why these come in handy.
That's why the gloves come in handy, is what you're saying?
You can take off your gloves now. So we researched them. This is his property. You can take this with him. Started working on the paperwork. You already mentioned what paperwork you need. So let's get started on it.
Yeah, they get a lot of domestic. Just go things over.
So now that we have a 15, right?
Mm-hmm.
Just because it's me, I have to.
Key lessons. Probable cause is built before contact, not after. Explicit arrest advisement under Penal Code Section 841 is a statutory requirement. Digital upload of prior notices protects every subsequent enforcement action. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Street Bodycam, for more police interaction and courtroom content.